Reforge your connections, understanding and rebuilding relationships. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, Reforge Connections. This term may sound complex, but it's all about the process of rebuilding and strengthening relationships that have weakened or broken over time. Whether it's with friends, family, or colleagues, understanding how to reforge connections can be a powerful skill in both personal and professional life. Let's explore what this phrase means and how we can apply it in our daily interactions. To reforge means to make or shape something again or differently, often with the intention of improving it. When we talk about reforging connections, we're referring to the act of rebuilding relationships that have been lost, damaged, or weakened. This process involves communication, understanding, and effort from all parties involved to reestablish trust, empathy, and mutual respect. Relationships are the backbone of human interaction. They provide support, happiness, and a sense of belonging. However, misunderstandings, conflicts, and life changes can strain or sever these connections. Reforging these connections is vital because it helps to heal old wounds. Addressing past conflicts and misunderstandings can lead to healing. Strengthen bonds. Overcoming challenges together can make relationships stronger. Improve mental and emotional health. Healthy relationships contribute to overall well-being. Reforging connections can be a delicate process. Here are some steps to guide you. 1. Initiate contact. Reach out to the person with whom you wish to reconnect. A simple message can open the door to communication. 2. Acknowledge past issues. Recognizing and discussing past conflicts honestly is crucial for healing. 3. Listen actively. Show that you value the other person's feelings and perspectives by listening without judgment. 4. Apologize when necessary. If you've wronged the other person, a sincere apology can go a long way. 5. Set new boundaries and expectations. Discuss how both of you can move forward in a way that respects each other's needs and boundaries. While the idea of reforging connections is positive, it's not always straightforward. Challenges may include reluctance to forgive. Not everyone is ready to let go of past hurts. Fear of rejection. The possibility of not being welcomed can be daunting. Differences in perspective. What one person sees as a solution, another might view as a problem. Facing these challenges requires patience, empathy, and sometimes, accepting that not all connections can be reforged. Reforging connections is a powerful journey towards healing and strengthening relationships. It's about more than just making up. It's about creating deeper, more meaningful bonds. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of re-establishing ties and how to approach it. Remember, every effort towards reconciliation is a step towards a richer, more connected life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.